Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin at the car, ready to read battery health. First, park level and set the parking brake so readings are stable. Turn the vehicle on, press start with the brake depressed or insert the key so the dash and infotainment power up. Make sure climate control is off. HVAC draws energy and skews the state of charge display. Once done, observe the dash and center display as they boot. This gives you the initial percentage and range to compare later. You now navigate the Leaf's menus to get precise numbers. Use the steering stock buttons or touchscreen to open the energy or EV information screen. This shows battery state of charge in percent and estimated range in km or mi. Make sure to note battery temperature because performance and range change with temp. Then access Nissan Connect EV or vehicle settings to view recent charge sessions and any available quick diagnostics. Finish by verifying health and taking corrective steps. Charge to full and compare the displayed range and percent against manufacturer expectations for that model. This reveals long-term capacity loss. Review the 12-month charge history in Nissan Connect EV to spot degradation trends. If values are erratic, reboot the infotainment and power cycle the car, then recheck. If problems persist, like sudden drops or inconsistent SOC, make sure to contact a dealer for a professional battery capacity and diagnostic test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.